What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and today is just gonna be button clicking hyper offense Bdsp who mad crazy life. I've already kicked the fire and battle button, not much to say, not much to do. Shuckle, sticky web, rocks, and 5 smashers just to follow it. So let's see what we get. Not much to say, not much to do. Yep, let's see what we get. It's either gonna be a hit or a miss. So Blim using HO. Let's see what we get. Okay. First game we got versus a Dawn fan. Okay, I wish I had a ghost, but regardless, we don't need ghosts with this team. Lead off with you. He Jirachis me, so you don't get. I don't think this is gonna help you at all. Just like web isn't that good, but I will go for it regardless. He goes for that. Let's web him up and let's like gambit. Straight up started. Already started. Straight up gambit. First I wanna spin on this boy. Spin on this boy. Good chip damage. It T-waves me. I am faster than this, so let's hydro pump. Let's hydro pump this boy. I am definitely faster than you. Yep, could do a good ton of damage. Turns to Dawn fan and spin. But we got what we needed. So yeah, let's just do it. Go to the Rotom. We die to that. Okay, this is a Scarf Rotom, I'm assuming. It should be Scarf, right? So we shouldn't die to any one hit of the Scarf Rotom. Let's SD up. If he tricks with the Scarf, I don't mind. I'm gonna E-speed him to death. And if he force switches out to the Dawn fan, yeah, I will go for the CC. Hey, Dawn fan is very annoying. Oh, you don't kill us. We are gonna do a lot of damage to you. Or send you absolutely packing. Send you packing. We are faster than... Yeah. I don't think Ice Shot kills me from this range. He has to go to Dawn fan. I do not think Ice Shot kills me at this range. See the crap out of you. You're dead. We are Adam and Luke. And we claim one more. As I said, it's gonna be a hit or a miss. And nothing in between. It goes to Jirachi. So yeah, let's bullet punch this Jirachi out of the planet. Let's bring in the Staraptor. Because Bandit Staraptor. No switches in the tier right now. Oh, you won't kill me. And at this point my Nidoking and my Honchko kind of wins. You Scarf, bro? Nope, you ain't scarfed, so you're gonna die. And my Nidoking just won with Sludge Wave. Let's get the next one. Get the next game. See what we get. This is hell over. I wish I had a ghost. Should I keep a ghost? Starmie can like kind of spin, or do I make the Staraptor choice scarf? I mean, band hits really hard, but do I need that extra power? I mean, okay, so versus these teams, right? These teams like my Staraptor goes just Brave Bird will do like 55 to 60% to a heat trend. He latis me. Get him up, straight up. Get him up. He psychics me. Let's get him up. Web him up. Now we gambit. Oh, good boy. Now guess who's coming in now? Guess who's coming in now? No points for guessing correctly. No points for guessing. Nidoking is really good. I don't want to break my focus sash. Everything kills this. Everything kills this. Yeah, let's go to Luke. Luke is the best option. It's close combat. He doesn't have a switch in. He doesn't have a switch in at all. You are dead. We are adamant, Luke, so you are dead. We come and we hit. We keep hitting. And yeah, my Staraptor will claim. You have to go to the Lati and take some good chip. Then I go to my Starmie, kill it off, and basically proceed to hit him. Yep, he had to go to the Lati in order to kill me with. We can sponge the. Yeah, let's make a wild play. Let's make a wild, stupid play. Let's make a play which makes no sense. Absolutely makes no sense. He T-bolts me. I thought he might do that, but I can like sucker punch. If he switches, I Brave Bird the crap out of him. Oh, let's. Yeah. Should I taunt this though? Yeah, he Moon Blast. Okay, I made a shit play though. I made a really shit play. I forgot I don't have Sludge Wave, but I don't care. I really don't care. I really don't care. Yo, wow, that is soulless damage, underwhelming damage. Really thought this would kill. Really thought this would kill. Wow. Choice Bandit, Reckless, Brave Bird does this. I thought this would like kill 2 clips at once. Goes to this, which is gonna get destroyed by. Let's see. I wanna see this to 55. Oh yes, hell yeah. Hell yeah. New item, not sure, but Starmie. Just a sec. Okay, so back. Let's like kill this off with a pump. He Dracos me, he loses. If he Dracos, he loses, kinda. He goes to Drapion, I guess. I mean, my Nidoking should do good because we have Sucker Punch for the Lat. He just needs some chip on this. This Drapion will die. Garchomp should die unless it's like Scarf Chomp. Let's see what he goes. I think he should go to the Drapion and throw a knock. Then I get my justified boost. He goes to Drapion. I go for the. I think. Does it die though? Does Drapion die? Drapion, you like, let's make it like Soul Stance. Starmie offensive, Hydro Pump does guaranteed 180k of the Still Talks. Holy shit, yeah, he goes to Drapion. Don't wanna sack this for no absolute reason because it's gonna give me the justified boost and I CC him and then I click. I have a Sash Nidoking with Sucker Punch, so I'm not worried. Bullet Punch. He's supposed to go to the Lati and take E-speed damage. Take the E-speed damage and then I win with my Nidoking. This won't die. This will take like 55 to 60% damage. Yeah, correct. I am so correct with my calcs. Let's go to my Nidoking. Let's Sucker Punch the crap out of him. And Earth Thought is a wrap. Get the next game. As I said, games are gonna go super duper fast. So yes. Or did I click it? Okay, this looks like a Staraptor game. Wrap it up, boys. Let's deal up with my fun with Chuckle. Anti-Hazard doesn't look the best this game. Doesn't look the best to be honest. But I will get him up regardless. I will get him up regardless. He goes for 3 pumps. My Lucario shouldn't die to pumps. Lucario shouldn't die to pumps at all. Because this did way too less damage to my Shuckle. Let's go for the Choice Bandit Double Edge. Oh, he's Scarf. Oh, you are dead. This is hella dead. You are hella dead. Okay, so we can't let this Shitzer get a defog or the Gliscor get a defog. So I'll go to my Nidoking, which deals with both. He goes to Shitzer, I thought so. Let's flamethrower the crap out of him. He goes to Blissey. I don't switch out, I guess. This is dead. Nice. Oh my god, my Honchkrow looks demonic. He goes to Zam. I Earth Power it. We have Sucker. We have what is called? We have the Sucker Punch. Shash activated. Let's beam him. Let's beam this boy. I shouldn't lose to Blissey at all. If I lose to something, that's gonna be the potential clef. But I think my Honchkrow should deal off with the remaining of his team. If I kill the Gliscor, my Lucario might do it. He has to go to the Blissey here. He has to go to Blissey. Yeah, he has to go to Blissey. Get some Earth Power chunk on this boy. Click rocks, I'm gonna spin on him, so I'm not worried. What the hell is he doing? What the hell is he doing? Go to the Starmie. Watch this series of plays. I'm running bullet punch for Gengars. Go to the Crow. Catch the Crow. Go to the Haunch Crow and start brave budding the crap out of him. Seismic Top. No, 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 no. Let's take taunt him. Brave Bud is the play. Oh, bye bye, Gliscor. Gliscor really missed. Just like Brave Bud him again. Brave Bud him, Brave Bud. He's defensive Gliscor though. Max defense Gliscor. Do we taunt the Clef though? Okay, let's see. I think we get a hit up on the Clef. He might what it's called. I want to taunt the Clef. He might go for the soft boil. Night Slash won't kill this. It will never kill this. But if he doesn't take the Stealth Rock damage with the Clef, we should be good. Blissey is 87. I wish Starmie got the Psyshock. Yeah, so many less mons get Psyshock. I think only Alakazam gets Psyshock, and there is one more mon which gets Psyshock. Hypno gets Psyshock, I think. Hypno. You are dead. I want to taunt the Clef. I will taunt the Clef. I think he might like go for the... Yep. This is why I have the taunt. This is why I have the tech. The industry always packs the tech. Oof. And this Blissey will take a beating now. Oh my god. Painful, painful death. Painful death of Blissey is coming. Painful death of Blissey coming. Yeah, we have the taunt. No wishing. Yeah. Oh my god. Blissey didn't want to take a beating. Blissey just ran. Blissey didn't want to take a beating. He just ran. Yeah. This is why you run the Taunt Crow. You run Taunt Crow, Hunch Crow. This was Carp Rotom all along. It was doing so less damage. Maybe defensive some walkies. Alrighty. Shuckle him. He cannot... what it's called? He cannot belly drum sweep me from the get-go. He cannot do that. We have a Starmie. We have this. We have that. We have a lot of stuff. I really want to get my webs up first. His team is kinda fast. So he can't sweep me from the get-go, as I said. We are defensive though. We are defensive. Nice. Okay, we got momentum. Let's take rock him up. Go to the waterfall. Go to my Starmie. Wanna throw T-Bolt. T-Bolt. Oh my god, I should have gone to my Staraptor. Yeah, made a misplay. Underwhelming damage. Just Hydro Pump. Doom Desire. Why do this Jirachi and Doom Desire? Shit move. Doom Desire is shit move. It's wasting a move slot on Jirachi. There are a lot of good movesets to run. Rocks, Energy Ball, like Zenhead, but there is Whish, there is Turn, all that stuff. But people be running this Doom Desires nonsense. I wanna go for the spin in case he rocks up here. So he has no removal except the Starmie, right? My Haunch Crow looks so good, man. Haunch Crow looks super, super good. He goes to Rotom with Chunk. This did so much damage. Oh my god, Starmie did so much damage. Is this Scarf choice? This is hella choiced. Legends go to Nidoking here. but we are faster. So don't know what he's gonna go to, but he's gonna get Staraptor. He's gonna get Staraptor whatever he goes to, and we are faster. Since my Starmie was faster than this, so Staraptor is definitely faster. This is some like choice spec set, I believe. Yep, this is choice spec. If it was Scarf, it would have been faster than my Starmie. So since my Starmie outsped this one, my Staraptor just clicks like double H a few times. Not double H, like Brave Bird here. But double H looks really good. Jirachi will die. That's the tank that I need to Brave Bird. Rodam will die to a Brave Bird. T-Ball is 30%, so Rodam will die. He's thinking what to do. Starmie will definitely get destroyed. Yeah, it's because we are faster than Starmie, we're faster than Infernape. Unless it's Scarf Infernape. You actually Scarf Nape, you Scarf Nape. I wanna but if I go to this, it gets a defog off. Let's go to Mr. Raptor. Brave Bird here. I don't think, I mean, Staraptor has decent physical bulk. I don't think he can kill us off with a single move. You are dead. Rodam will die. I refuse to believe Rodam will take this. Heatran took so much damage. No freaking way. Okay, that's good. That's good. He goes for that's good. My Honchkrow is freed. My Honchkrow is getting freed. And saying that, my Nidoking looks really good. This was some citrus berry crap. But I need chip on this because my Nidoking is completely walled by this, so I need chip on this. I can deal with the Starmie, my Honchkrow will deal with, and I have an extra Luke in the back. Okay, good. So we get momentum no matter whatever he goes to. If he goes to Starmie, I go to my Honchkrow. If he goes to Nape, I go to my Honchkrow. If he goes to Azoo, I go to my Honchkrow. If he goes to the Tang, I go to my Honchkrow or the Nidoking, depending. But I can't, and Nidoking doesn't have Sludge Wave, so we can't kill the Tangrowth. So I think Tangrowth dies to a Nidoking's Flamethrower. I don't want to calc because I think it dies. If Alakazam Psychic can kill Tangrowth from full, Tangrowth definitely dies. He goes to Starmie. Okay, so this is the best case scenario. We go to the Crow and we can like throw off a nice slash without taking any recoil. He's gonna die. If he gives me this though, then my Nidoking will go Brazy because he is forced to go to the Azoo after this. He's thinking what to do here. But this might be a bit difficult. Okay, he gives me the Starmie. This is really good. I am pretty sure we're out of Azoo's Aqua Jet range. We're out of Mach Punch range. So let's see. I really want this Azoo. I really want the Azoo. Hope doesn't go to the name. It goes to Azoo. Azoo is literally the one I want. And no way Aqua Jet does so much to Honchkrow. Honchkrow is frail, but I mean not that frail. Yeah, he just 100 HP, so it doesn't die to... His defenses are pretty poor, but 100 HP is decent. Honchkrow, it goes to Rodam. We are definitely faster than you. I think Miss Magius' Honchkrow are similar... okay, perfect. Brave Bird and kill this off. Yeah, and my Nidoking kind of won. Nidoking definitely wins this game. We are focused sash, so we shouldn't die to Infernape's hit. Tangrowth should get obliterated. In case Tangrowth doesn't get obliterated, I Flamethrower into Earth Power. You hella die. We are focused sash, so I'm not worried. We are focus. Oh shit. This is not good. This is not good at all. I don't have the Sludge Wave. Oh my god, we are in big trouble right now. But I think we can. He has to Flare Blitz here. He has to Flare Blitz. Yes. Yeah, we won. I was scared for a second, but definitely won. Yeah, no way it leaves an Adamant Lucario speed at this range. No freaking way. Then why didn't he go to this in the Honchkrow? Oh my god, what did he do right now? No way this lives. Yep. That's game. Let's get one more. Let's get one more. All dead bodies lined up. All dead bodies lined up. Alrighty, we got a game versus this guy. So Shuckle is fun. Wow. If I kill the Starmie though, look at my Nidoking. If I kill the Starmie, it doesn't need its item. It doesn't need a life orb to smash him. This is a tough matchup though, very tough matchup, because it's gonna be difficult to get hazards up on the field. He has a spin Starmie, he has sweep him up. Get him up. So I want my webs up. I want my webs up. I will keep my webs up. I will keep my webs up. Let him take chip. I don't mind. I will keep my webs up. No, you're taking more damage. You're taking more damage. His Hydro Pump rapid. He has to recover. Yeah, thought so. He might. Yeah. He was being stupid. He was being stupid. He was being so stupid. Okay. This no way this recover. It has the beam and it has to have beam and bolt and stuff. And I think you are in E-speed range. I think this is E-speed range. Does Sucker Punch kill this? Let me check. Nidoking or you Wall Breaker. You're not modest. Because Nidoking has got really high attack stat. 58 to 69. Oh yeah, you die. Oh yeah, you die. Oh my, what is... Oh my god, what? What? Huh? Did I miss something? Oh, man, life orb. Oh my god, I missed this life orb. God damn it, man, this is gonna cost me. This is gonna hella cost me the game. Man, how the hell did I miss that? Come on, dude. It's gonna cost me the game. One misplay. Okay, he gave me the Gengar for no reason. Why would you give me the Gengar? Are you stupid? Is this guy stupid? Why would he give me the Gengar? Oh, because he's lucky. He is lucky. My god. This one miscalc and I have such a bad spot. You don't miscalc. Bandit trapped the crap out of him. Wow, that's doing 0 damage. This is doing absolutely 0 damage. What is this ungodly damage? People be dying really. Dude, are you like speed def or fizz def? I wanna check. Score custom set. Attack. +1. 76 to 91. Wow. What is this heat fan though? Yeah, we lost this game. Or we might win this. Brick breaks, okay. Sucker Punch. We might pull this off. Cliff scores. It's like pretty good. You die. Man. We are short. We are gonna be short. Yeah, because Tango is required. What? Are you crazy? One misplay cost us the game. Just one misplay. Just one misplay. Let's get the next one. Let's get one last game. This thing. I would have easily killed it off with the Lucario's E-speed. Just that life orb. Just life orb calc. Yeah. Easy game. Get the next game. I can't believe it made that. But this was a hella one. If we hit that Hydro Pump on the Shidzer, it was one. But we know Allah. Come on. This was a 100% win in my book any day. Yeah, just need to hide the hydro farm. And this is why I don't like this shit Starmie one. I hate Starmies. I never use Starmie. Yeah, you won't see you won't in my you won't see a lot, you won't find a lot of Starmies in my build. How much? 20? Let's get one more. Okay, we got hyper offense, so hyper offense. If I shuckle him, he's gonna taunt me. I can like beam into thinking what to do here. Let's beam into flamethrower. That's the best play. Yep. Power. Punched in the face. I wanna say this is like some focus sash set. This is also, what is this? What is this set though? Shuckle, are you focus sash as well? Focus sash. In case it's not, just try to get him up. For the D Knight. Is this like focus sash as well? Are you focus sash? Okay, this choice bandit. Good. Okay, we. I guess we win this game. Yes, we win. No, that Luke's weak tie. Max defense. Shuckle taking so much damage from that pointing. Okay, let's go to you. Mr. Raptor is faster than Luke. Mr. Raptor should do the job here. I'm betting Mr. Raptor to do the work. So he close combats with the Lucario, I guess. Okay, he goes to Gaddy. Yeah, Mr. Raptor him now. What is he gonna do? He's gonna E-speed me, right? I have to go to my Luke. He outrages me. Okay, he outrages me, right? E-speed. Had to get the confusion. This boy had to get a confusion. Let's like a Brave Bird. No freaking way. Staraptor dies to a Luke's. Yeah, its focus size is broken. No freaking way. Yeah, it's over. GG. Yup. GG. Absolutely destroyed. So yeah, we almost won all games. We almost won all the games. We have played a lot of games today. We almost won all except this miscalc. Only this miscalc I lost. Yeah, I forgot to calc the life for it, so I would have won this game as well. This is gonna be it for today, guys. Hit or miss, burst spam, HO, bang, bang, boom, boom, shake the room. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a big fat like for the HO if you enjoyed it. Stay safe, guys. Bye bye.